Hey guys, welcome to Rachel's Network. This is Reena, and today we'll be learning how to start coding. Yes, you heard it right. We will learn coding. We will all become programmers. So, today I'll be introducing to you a great website that I love for coding, using which you can build games, arts, scenes, animated stories, and many more amazing stuffs. It is called Scratch, 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 and you can get it from scratch.mit.edu. I love this for grade 3 and up. From up, I basically mean even the programmers can use Scratch because it's just really an amazing application. I love Scratch personally because it is free and you can either use it online or offline, and the best part is that you need not write even a single piece of code. Just you need to drag and drop the codes and you have your own animations and your own games. So let's move on to the video. So let us start the session by understanding what is a program, what is programming language, and who is a programmer. So let me explain this to you with a simple example. That is, if you are new to a school and you don't know anything about that particular school, you are very blank, you are very new to that school, and your teacher asks you to get something from the staff room. So what exactly you will do is, you don't know, so you will ask your teacher, ma'am, how to reach the staff room. She will give you instruction that go straight, then from the second building go right, and at the corner left you will find the staff room. So now here you got certain instruction and you can reach the staff room very easily. So what was happening? Some instruction was given, right? So this instruction, that is the computer also, or the laptop, the games, the mobile phones, all the application, they don't know, that is they don't have their own intelligence or their own brain. They all are being given instruction, and this instruction is nothing but a program. Then what is programming language? That is, for example, you all speak to your parents at home in some particular language, okay? Because you understand that language very well, you can speak that language very well, so you communicate in that particular language. So similarly, the program that we write, that is, if I know English and someone else who is there, he know only French, and if I communicate with that French person in English, can he actually understand it? No. So if I speak in French, he will understand it very clearly and perfectly and can perform all the task or the instruction given to him. Similarly, the computer also has to be given instruction in the language which it knows, and that language is nothing but, it is known as the programming language. There are many programming languages, but this is just the basic of programming to bring your interest towards programming. So here you need not write any program. So we will not go deep into programming languages, that is the different programming languages. We will just understand what is programming language, and the person who writes this programming language is who? Yes, he is the programmer. So now I am very sure that you all might be pretty clear about what is a program, what is a programming language, and who is a So first let's see how to use Scratch online. So for that, first you need to open any web browser available, and in that just type Scratch and search for it. So Scratch. You will find the link of scratch.mit.edu. Just click on that link. Once the link opens, you'll get an interface like this. So in this, what you need to do is, you will find join Scratch as well as sign in. So in that, if you already have an account, you have to just sign in to that with the email ID and the password, and if you don't have, just click on join Scratch. So when you click on join Scratch, this is what the interface opens. So in this, just give the username and password 2 times. So any username you can give. So I'm just giving a random username over here, and after giving the username, So if it is already present, it will ask you to give some other username, so keep on changing it. And after that, it will ask to create a password, so you can give any password, and then after giving it, just click on next. It will ask you what country do you live in, so whichever country you are residing in, just click on that and then give the next button. Then it will ask you for your date of birth, so you can either give your own date of birth or just randomly select anything, and then click next, and then give your gender over here, and then again click on next. And here they will ask you to give the email ID. So why do they give email ID is that if any subscriptions or any new updates come, it will be updated in the email ID given below. So you can take the help of your parents, you can give their email ID. Then click on create your account. So once you click on create an account, it will open the Scratch interface. So you can see here the Scratch is loading. So you can see it's showing creating project and it has opened. So you can see this is online. I'm using this online. So once it opens, you can see the interface looks something like this. So I have logged in with my username and ID. So once you get into that, you can start using Scratch. So this we will learn in detail in the next session. So now let's see how to use Scratch offline. So for that, again open a web browser, type Scratch. In the scratch.mit.edu you can find a download link. Just click on that, and when it opens, you can see that we can download Scratch either for Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS or Android. So here I'm using Windows, so I'll click on Windows, and in that we have a direct download button. So just click on that. You can see down that the Scratch setup is being downloaded. So once it gets downloaded, you have to go to the downloads, or just click over here and start its installation. So here you can see that my downloading has been completed. So just double click on the downloaded setup. Only for me or anyone who uses computer, just click on anyone who uses computer and click on install. You can see that it is getting installed now. So you will see the progress bar over here. So once the installation is done, you will find the Scratch somewhere on your desktop or pinned to your taskbar, so you can just open from there. So you can see here that both offline as well as online, for both the interface is same. So in whichever platform I am teaching you this worry, because in both everything is same, there is no difference in both the platforms. Okay, so in my tutorial I'll be using Scratch offline. So whatever I'm teaching in Scratch offline, you can use the same thing for Scratch online also. So I hope it is very clear how to download Scratch and use it offline, and how to use Scratch online just by creating an account and joining it. Okay, so the rest of the thing, that is what is there in the Scratch, that is the Scratch environment, I'll talk about that in my next video. So the next video has also been uploaded. You can find the link in the description box below. So in that I'll be just telling you, that is a brief description of all the elements of the Scratch will be told in that video, and in the upcoming videos we will learn each and every coding palettes. So meet you up in the next video. Until then, it's bye from me, Reena.